What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project, which is of this brand new Tesla Model 3. Now what we'll be doing to this is a full body custom SatinGuard paint protection film installation, changing this gloss red paint into the richest satin finish possible while giving all of the paint excellent paint protection. We will also be tinting the windows with Spectra Photosync IRD, the best heat blocking window film in this industry. What this owner chose is IRD 30% on the front two windows, 15% on the rear windows, and 70% on the front windshield. So we're gonna move this car, get this project started, and at the end, I'll show you the results. Alright guys, we have another Tesla project completed, and what we have here is a Model 3 fully protected with SatinGuard paint protection film, protecting all of the red paint on the car, and also tinted with Spectra Photosync IRD. Now, SatinGuard is the film that we use exclusively here at Premiere for very good reason, and as you can see right now, SatinGuard allows the underlying paint to really show through the best, and it also produces the deepest, richest satin sheen out of any PPF in this industry. And with the hybrid tritone technology on the coating of this film, it allows this film to look three different ways, from matte to satin to translucent, depending on viewing angle and lighting conditions. Especially in this type of overcast outdoor lighting or indoor lighting, you really get this nice translucent sheen, allowing all the angles of this car to really show through, making it the most unique possible. Now, every single panel, like we mentioned, for all cars is custom installed, and panels such as the front bumper, fenders, doors, rear trunk area, those are all custom installed with one sheet of film per panel so that it is as seamless as it gets. This makes it look OEM as if there's no film on here at all. Now, as far as the window tint is concerned, we use Spectra Photosync IRD, the best heat blocking that there is in this industry. What this owner chose is IRD 30% up on the front two windows, 15% on the rear sides and full rear glass, and IRD 70% on the front windshield. Now this is a really nice combination for those who want to optimize heat rejection, especially for those occupants in the rear. Now, Spectra Photosync again is the best heat blocking that there is, so this is why we use it exclusively here at Premiere. So guys, another project completed, and I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until our next one, I'll see you soon.